Hey, so I got this adorable pink toaster because it's just so cute and it looks all retro, and it was not cheap. It's more than I've ever spent on a toaster in my life, but thought, okay, I'm 56 years old. It's time to get a cute toaster. Little things make me happy. I've used it about 20 times. It came in the mail July 24th. Today is September 26th. And I went to use it and the lever doesn't hold down. Okay, the lever doesn't hold down. I did all the things. I made sure it was plugged in. I checked the crumb tray. I did a little bitty smack on the bottom to make sure, not bottom, but the smack on the bottom of the thing to make sure crumbs weren't stuck somewhere, and it's not working. So I finally got in touch with the company, and I had to turn in my receipt, which I had. I had to make a video of me doing this to prove that it was indeed broken. And then I got an email back. Oh, I also had to fill out some other form for them. Then I got an email back saying that it was determined that I was telling the truth and that I am not committing toaster fraud. So they are going to send me a replacement. But once they send me the replacement, I have to cut the cord and send a picture of the cut cord with the toaster to SMEG. And my husband thought maybe my punishment would be that I had to stick a fork in there with it plugged in or something like that, or take a bath with it plugged in, because they are very untrusting. I don't know what's gone on with this company to make them so suspicious of us toaster users, but please stop committing toaster fraud.